Cheers and welcome to Bitter Reality Brewing. Yeah, just having a nice German lager. Nothing major, just nice, light, and smooth. But it's the holidays. They're right around the corner and Black Friday is coming. And I'm like crazy busy, but if I can save you a buck, I will. Not all of the information I'm going to supply is affiliate, but if you click on any of the links down below that are affiliate, it might throw me some chump change and it will be greatly appreciated, as it won't cost you a dime extra, but it might actually help me cover some bills. Definitely appreciate it. So what's going on? Well, first, let's jump into one of my favorites, which of course, you know, I've got 3 of these things. Anvil Foundry. Just simple, easy, reliable, reasonably affordable compared to most things out there that get kind of crazy, and yeah, love it to death. So what's going on? Now, Anvil and Blickman, if you're not aware, are same company, just one's different level, and one's more entry, one's more getting to the professional, and then you get some other stuff going up there. But hey, oh yeah, hey, if you forgot, show me some support, appreciate it. Well, Anvil is going to be starting, and it will go all the way from November 17th to November 30th. They're going to do 10% off site-wide on Anvil. Now, if you spend $300 or more, yeah, you heard me, easy, $300 or more, you're at 15% off. And if you get a little carried away and spend $600 or more, 20% off. That's a sweet deal, very sweet deal. I know a lot of these companies are struggling right now out there, and I know they're offering the best deals they can right now to really hopefully bring in some revenue, keep things moving, and keep things afloat through the rougher times before, you know, we get back to business and have, you know, a little more spendable income that we can spend on things we enjoy spending them on. Now, Blichmann, like I said, parent company, sister company, however you want to look at it, Blichmann is doing 10% off site-wide, also from November 17th to the 30th. If you spend $500 or more, you're at 15% off. And if you spend over $1,000 or more, which there's some really nice high-end stuff on Blickman, so that's pretty easy, you're gonna get 20% off. So those are all on the website. I don't believe there's any coupon codes or anything like that. It's just a matter of hitting that echelon and getting that discount. Now, another thing for anybody who's out there and kind of newer to brewing or doesn't have an app, I use Beersmith heavily, but Brewfather is a great app. And the main reason I don't probably use it as much is because I have been using Beersmith forever, and it's hard to make that change. It just is, but it is a great app. It has a lot of flexibility, and I think it has more features than Beersmith, to be quite honest. So right now, I don't know how long this is going. You'll have to double check, but they're doing, the code is BLACK50, and it gives you 50% off for, yes, I'm sorry, new subscribers to Brewfather. So brewfather.app, you get 50% off. Now the app is free. That's right, you heard me, free. And I think you can do like 3 brews or something. I don't know if it's changed, but it's very limited for the free. And then if you want to keep all your brews and, you know, keep them historically and do all kinds of, build your inventory and do all the other cool things, what, 10 bucks for the first year, $20 a year after that? Yeah, to me, that's a great deal. So check that out. That's a good deal. Now, MoreBeer. MoreBeer is going to be going crazy this year from what I've seen already. Yes, you heard me. MoreBeer is going crazy. So they just started a deal that will run until December 31st. That's right, December 31st. Up to 40% off. From my understanding, they're going to be continually adding things. They may pull some things out. So, you know, get it while supplies last. And I will tell you for a fact, every year there are major items that run out of stock before, sometimes way before December. I mean, Black Friday, they're gone and you can't get it. And these are some staple items. I've seen Bruzilla run out. I know I was one of the people who didn't get it 2 years ago. I've seen Anvil run out. I've seen Blickman run out. I've seen every company out there pretty much run out of supplies for, or inventory during the holidays on one way or another. So keep that in mind. If there's something you really, really had your eye on and it's got a good deal on it, grab it while you can, because you might not be able to get it and you may have to wait till next year, which you might not get as good of a deal. I know I didn't. So up to 40% off. What do they got? Well, first of all, anyone who's new, that's right, new to home brewing or maybe just kind of getting your feet wet, they have the starter kits that include flash brewing. So no expensive brew equipment needed. No major fermenters or anything like that. Everything is pretty much included in these kits. You get a fermenter. You get a fermenter that you can use in the future if you decide to stay into home brewing. It's all extract. There's no boiling required. There's nothing special required. Doesn't mean you can't go crazy and do some custom things if you know what you're doing. But yeah, really, really cool starter kits for people who've never brewed, just kind of getting their feet wet and don't want to buy a lot of crazy expensive equipment. Brew Tools B150 Pro, $800 off. And keep in mind, it might be a little more. I'm just telling you what I saw minimum. The Ultimate Brewzilla combo pack with the Brewzilla and a Firmzilla conical. I don't remember if that's the 220 or the 110. You'll have to check it out. Your mileage may vary. That one, huge deal on that one. I can't remember how much was off on that, but very nice deal. If you're a big Grainfather fan, you got the G40, $300 off. You got the G70, over $400 off. And if you're, more like I am with my Anvil, they do have the G30 version, which is competition there, for about a little over $100 off. They also have the, if I hopefully don't destroy this, Spital Brewmeister Plus at over, ready, drum roll, $1,150 off. Yeah, kind of crazy. Then they have the Brewbuilt Lowrider Digital Brew Sculpture for the 10 and 15 gallon, the smaller systems, but that's what most of us are using, with over $2,000 off. Yeah, and that's a big system. It's very fancy. Definitely gonna set you back, but $2K off, I mean, come on. That's if you were looking to pull the trigger, that is a good reason to pull the trigger. Some other items that aren't so much home brewing, but are still really cool. The gas-powered pizza oven that they've been using on their channel quite heavily, $100 off. And then I actually think it's almost $100 off. And then the one thing which I was kind of impressed and happy to see was a fair amount of wine kits. They discounted some wine kits. Wine kits used to be really inexpensive before COVID, and after COVID, they were crazy. I remember picking up wine kits for $40 a pop before COVID, and now it's rare you see them anywhere even near $100. And most of these are around $100. So that's a really good deal for wine enthusiasts out there. But hopefully that saves you a little bit of money. Hopefully I mentioned something in there that you're considering, or you're trying to get your maybe significant other to consider for you, however that is. You can always show them the video. And like I said, the links below, there's a few that are not affiliate. The majority will, MoreBeer will be an affiliate one. The ones for Anvil and Blickman will not be. And the Brewfather, of course, will not be. But, throw me a little chump change. If you're going to buy something, click on the link, share the link. Anything that helps, it won't hurt you any, but it will help us, and I definitely appreciate it. For everyone out there, have a great holiday. Hang in there. We'll get through it. Things have only got to get better. It's getting frustrating, but we'll get there. Cheers. Gonna go enjoy my lager.